I bring you greetings from President Jose Raul Mulino, our new president and our new National Unity Government. It was a pleasure to see many of you at our oceans last year. Panama has 54% of our oceans, of our seas, protected. We are way past 30, and we're still going. Created our newest protected marine area last week. We have 5 World Heritage Sites, including Coiba Island, which is a part of CEMAR, the protection of the Eastern Tropical Pacific. Also, Panama is carbon negative, and 100%, our position is 100% against whaling, total whaling ban, and 100% against deep sea mining. No double speak, no hypocrisy, no double talk. Also, we are 100% for the High Seas Treaty. Our new government, in its first month, approved it in cabinet. In its second month, sent it to the Asamblea. It has already been approved in primer debate, and hopefully we should get it done by the end of this week or at the beginning of October. So High Seas Treaty, Panama will be on it in a couple of weeks. Finally, very, very soon, yes, we will see you in this. But also, Silvia, todo mi cariño, siempre, mi respeto y admiración. Finally, just an urgent call to action. There's no time, and time's up.